Hello guys, today we're going to zone bowling Morley, where we are gonna play bowling there today. Is everybody excited? Okay, let's go. 2 hours later. Original rainbow is you have to go to Hawaii. Finally, we reached the zone bowling. Oh, it's a big place. Oh, now we have to change our shoes. The colors of the shoes we have to change to is red, white, black. Okay, we're gonna start bowling and they're gonna be 10 rounds. I think I'm gonna be first or win it. Do you predict I'm gonna win? Now we're going to play. The way we got teach the way to hold a bowling ball and now we are starting to play bowling. Keep an eye on my points, okay? If the name is pink, that means it's my turn now because it's pink. You get 2 times. You only get 2 tries. You only get 2 tries. I got 2 more pins. Oh, now let's see. Whoa! I'm winning. I'm in the lead, I think. Once you finish the 2 tries, check on your name if you have how many points you got. The more you get, if you hit the pins, get the pins all down. If you get the pins all down, you get a spare turn. And I had to take my jacket off because it was very hot. So it's my turn now. So all the pins got down, I think. What? Oh yeah! How many? I have 3 more pins. 1 more pin. I have to aim for the middle because the pin is in the middle. And whoa! Oh yeah! I knocked it down. And now it's new. Oh, 2 more! I got 2 pins. I need 1 more and aim for the 2 pins. Yeah! I got 8 aim for the pins and got all the pins down. Very cool. I got all the pins down and they didn't. And I got a spare turn. Oh, my sister wanted to have a try. What did my sister get? 5 more pins. Wow. A clever baby. And now my turn. Don't go past the line over there. Because then you'll slip. It's slippery. Now he's hitting. My brother's hitting. Huh? He got Ollie a little bit pinched. He has one more try. The green and one thing I need to tell you, these are light bowling balls. The other bowling balls are heavy. These were the lightest bowling balls they could find. Whoa! My brother has 2 more. And what? He had 5. So 4 more pins. But then I quite get it. Now I bowl. And 4 more pins. Let's see. I'm gonna aim and let's see. What is my score?